Best laptop for beginners. Hey everyone, hope you guys are fine and doing well. So here I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to share a list of best laptop for beginners. Buy any favorite laptop, link in description. Subscribe to Guide Zoo to watch daily technology videos and be sure to hit the bell icon. Now let's move on to the topic. It's how intuitive the laptop is to use. A beginner laptop shouldn't have any complicated features. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch. The 13-inch MacBook Pro is one of the best laptops for beginners available on the market. It meets all the basic criteria I outlined earlier: ease of use, simplicity, and reliability. In fact, it has way more benefits than just that. This laptop is also extremely fast if you purchase it with all the extra specs, which I highly recommend doing. First, the MacBook Pro is available with up to 16 GB of RAM, which means it will run extremely fast, especially considering that macOS is a much less resource-intense operating system than Windows. Features of Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch. Available with 16 GB of RAM. High-resolution Retina display with True Tone technology. 2.8 GHz Intel processor with 4.7 GHz boost. Touch bar provides ease of use. Up to 2 TB SSD storage. High-quality build and design. Number 2. HP Envy-17T. Next on the list is the HP Envy-17T. This laptop has absolutely everything that a beginner needs on a laptop, and a few extra things if you become a more advanced user. My favorite feature of this laptop is the built-in NVIDIA video card. I'll admit that this isn't necessary for a beginner, but it does become more useful if you want to play games or plug the laptop into a large display. Moving on, this laptop has 16 GB of RAM and a 10th Gen Intel i7 processor, so it's fast. It has no problem running Windows 10 with multiple programs running at the same time. Quite frankly, you can play some of the lighter video games with specs like that. As far as aesthetics and ease of use, this laptop shines through there too. It has a durable metal frame, a full-size keyboard, and a very sensitive touchpad. The large amount of RAM and memory mean this laptop will last you a very long time. Number 3. MacBook Air. It basically has all the same features of a MacBook Pro, but for a much more affordable price, and it's much more portable than a MacBook Pro. First, the MacBook Air is available with up to 16 GB of RAM and an i7 processor, so it's plenty fast. It has speed that you normally don't find on bigger laptops. As the name implies, the MacBook Air is small, light with a 13-inch display and a weight of 2.8 pounds. Don't worry, the speed isn't an issue. Features of MacBook Air. More affordable than the MacBook Pro. Extremely light at 2.8 pounds. 12-hour battery life. Intel i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM. Up to 2 TB of storage SSD available. Retina display 2500-1600 resolution. Touch ID for maximum security. Number 4. Samsung Notebook 9 Pen. The Samsung Notebook 9 Pen is a slightly different laptop than others listed so far for one reason. It doubles as a tablet. That's right, you can flip the screen 360 degrees and turn this laptop into a fully functional tablet. Samsung even included a stylus pen for ease of use. That extra feature is perfect for beginners, since it makes it super simple to use. Plus, you don't need to purchase a separate tablet. Of course, this laptop to tablet still works perfectly fine as a regular laptop. 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB solid-state drive are perfectly adequate. Features of Samsung Notebook 9 Pen. 360-degree tablet mode with a touchscreen and built-in pen. i7 processor. 16 GB RAM and a 512 GB solid-state drive. Intel UHD Graphics 620 graphics card. Spill-resistant. 9-hour battery life. Weighs 3.43 pounds. Number 5. HP Pavilion 15. The HP Pavilion 15 is another excellent first laptop with a lot to like. My favorite features are the large amount of RAM, large solid-state hard drive, and ergonomic design. First, HP included a lot of RAM on this laptop, 12 GB to be specific. They paired it with a pretty fast i7 processor, so you don't have to worry about this laptop freezing up on you. As for storage, this laptop has 1 TB solid-state hard drive. That's enough storage to last the average user 5 to 10 years. Honestly, you probably won't come close to using all that storage, but it's good to have. Features of HP Pavilion 15. 12 GB of RAM up to 32 GB available, and 1 TB of storage SSD. 10th Gen Intel i7 processor. 15.3-inch screen. Lightweight at only 4.23 pounds. 8.5-hour battery life. 81% screen-to-body ratio. Thanks for watching this video. My favorite laptop link in description. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel.